Hey guys, welcome to this video, and we will be creating a Canadian eBay account, and it will be linked to Payoneer. I'm making this account because many of you contacted me and asked me to make an account that is uh, almost the same strength to the US account, but that accepts Payoneer to be linked. Not everyone is a fan of American banks, even if they are digital. So in this video, we are making a Canadian business account. It's business, not personal. And we will be linking it to a Pioneer account. If you want to know how to make a Pioneer account and verify it, you can also contact me and I will be glad to make a video about it. It's not easy like before to make a Pioneer account, so it needs a whole video. So to make the video short, I created this Payoneer account here under the same name of the lady. We will be creating an eBay account under her name. And let's see the Payoneer account first. I created it yesterday. They are more faster now. They verify the account in just 1 hour or two. They use the AI for the QYC verification. As you can see, my account is approved and I got this bank's account. Of course, I can ask for more. I can request more, but I am fine with this. The thing is, as you can see, let's go to the verification center here. As you can see, it's approved. I did the verification of the ID, front, back, and selfie liveness movements. And as you can see, this is our account here. So the thing you should do is, let's start from over. We have to create a profile on multi-login. Of course, I use multi-login with all my Stealth accounts. It doesn't matter, AC, eBay, Mercury, Amazon. I always use multi-login. If you want guys to use it, there is a video on my channel on what is multi-login and how to use it, and a 50% code under my name exclusively for my followers. So this is multi-login. You will get it like this after you get a subscription. It's either 100 profiles, 10 profiles, 50 profiles. In my case, I have 100 profiles and I have 74 gigabytes of data here to be used. So let's go and create an account or create a profile. So guys, you will have multi-login like this. You click create a profile and here name it, for example, eBay Canada. Then go down. You can use operating system. I always go for Windows. You can go for Mac. It's totally up to you, but I am a fan of Windows, so I will always use Windows. Here you can choose between the Mimic or Stealthfox. I would go with Mimic. It's based on Chromium. Stealthfox is on Firefox. So I prefer Mimic. It's more safe. Here I use the proxy multi-login, of course. If you have a proxy, you can click here custom and just set your proxy details, but I don't recommend you to use any other proxy other than multi-login. The location is Canada here, and the region you can choose based on the ID you have and the address you have that you will be registering on Etsy or on eBay, I'm sorry. And here you can see the ISP. I like Bell Canada. You can choose any of this. They are all residential IPs, so it's up to you. Once you choose the IP, you just click check proxy to check if it is working. Okay, the proxy checked passed and everything is good. Here you keep this masked, the time zone, keep it real. The geolocation access, keep it like this. Mask it. Mask it also. Real. The screen resolution, real. The phone data, real. Keep it like this. Mask it. And here, choose the pre-made cookies for eBay. Then you create the profile. Once you create the profile, you just need to open it from here. You click start and you will get something like this. Once you get something like this, of course, the first thing you have to do is to create a bank, an email under the same name, of course. So I already did this. As you can see here, the email. I have the bank here also ready. So all we can do is just to go and start the creation. So let's go. The first thing we have to do is we go to Google like this. Yeah, just type Google like this. Type eBay and you need to get ebay.ca. But before you do this, let me remind you, maybe this is the first video you're watching on my channel. So let me remind you that you have to visit a website. After you create your profile or multi-login, you have to visit this website here, detector.ebayspy.online. This is our website. It's something we made for anyone to check their profile before they start the creation, so they know if there is any leak of information, any data that is still linked to the to the old device, and generally to just get the permission to start your creation. For example, let's start here. As you can see here, the IP address is green, the ISP is green, ISP type. So in general, if everything here is green, you don't have to worry. Also, the risk assessment must be 0 here. So everything here is perfect. Everything. You can see the fingerprint is standard. The MAC address is protected. Cookies are safe. VPN detection, no. Proxy detection, no. Tor detection, no. Time zone match is matched. The browser is Chrome, nothing unusual. Operating system is Windows, and the device type is desktop. The language is English, which is normal. The location is British Columbia, Canada, and all is good. So what we should do now is just to head to Google and type eBay like this. And as you can see, we have here ebay.ca. We click it. We click register. And we have our email here. Let's give it a name like Marshall Flowers at hotmail.com. I think it's correct. Yeah. The password. Where is your business registered? Of course, Canada. And create the business account. I didn't mention this, assuming that you know already, but of course you will need the data, as you can see here. We need also we need the SIN. It's like the SSN of the US, but this is something Canadian. We need the selfie, we need the front ID and the back ID. I will not show you guys this information on the video because it's against YouTube terms of use. So I need to blur it to keep the video safe. But in general, this is how it looks like. So we have all the information already here. We just go to eBay and confirm the code here. and we need to confirm also the number, the phone number. I will confirm it and come back. Of course, you need a real number, a real Canadian number. um, just do what you should do to find it. I don't know if you have someone in Canada who can buy a virtual number for you. When I say a virtual number, I don't mean a fake number, but a number that Canadian usually buy just for temporary time. Like it's not for life. So they can get it for like 5 Canadian dollar or so. If you don't have, you can contact me and I provide the service. I provide the number, I provide the data here, like the SIN, the ID. It's a whole pack that I offer it. So just contact me and I can assist you with this. So let's verify the number now and come back. So I have verified the number and we can choose a username here. Okay, continue. And let's start here. Okay. So here we will register it under sole proprietor or owner. This is the best choice if you don't have a company. But also if you are creating a stealth account, it's a must to be under sole proprietor or owner because you cannot keep creating uh, um, you know, LLC, and it's a waste of time, of money, and a lot of things. So it's better to use this choice here and click continue. Here we just need to fill the information here. I will come back. I will fill it from the ID and come back. As you can see, I filled all the cases here: the name, the last name, the date of birth. Guys, the social insurance number is not optional. They might say it's optional here, but if you don't submit it here, your account is not verified. Also, we need to change the nationality here. I'm sorry, it's Canadian. So guys, the social insurance number is a must. It's not optional. Keep it in mind. Um, we click continue. Okay, guys, you need to do something here. At this step here, you don't click continue, and you just click this logo here. As you can see, you come back to selling. Exactly like this. You come back to the logo and then to selling again. You might think it's useless. Why would I do this? But yeah, just do it and don't ask a lot. And here we can choose the USD if you want. I prefer the USD. And I will do it this way. Okay, so I will just get my Payoneer Canadian information and I will come back. Okay, we have the bank here. We have everything. It's a checking account. We click continue. Agree and continue. Okay, everything here is good. And the last step is just review and submit. We check this one here. Okay, all good. Submit. And here we go. Our account is created. So all you need to do now is, because it's not done yet, and I cannot show the other steps for many reasons, but after that, let me tell you what will happen. Maybe in 1 hour or 24 hours, you will receive uh, a link to verify your ID. It's a must. You will verify your ID and selfie. If they ask, sometimes they don't ask. And after that, they might ask you to verify also your bank. It's not confirmed yet, but some accounts of mine started to show this behavior to verify, um, you know, the bank accounts. Just a document, you know. So that was everything. If you have any question or if you have any requests, just write me a comment and I will be uh, glad to make you a video about it. Don't forget to like the video and leave a good comment to support us continue in this content. See you guys.